Hey guys, it's Miss B. I hope you guys had a good weekend and I miss you all so much. I am going to show you today your assignment for News ELA. So you are going to log into News ELA and you're going to see that there are 6 articles. Okay, these are the 6 articles. You have to pick one. So don't freak out that there's 6 articles. I just wanted to make sure I found at least one of every text structure. All right? So you're going to pick one, any one you want. I picked a different one because I don't want to do one that you guys did. So I'm going to show you what I need you to do. So you are going to pick your article, and I picked Human Connection Bolsters Immune System. That's why it's important to be kind. You are going to read the article. All right? This is your only assignment for the week, by the way. You're going to read the article. You're going to do the power words. You're going to write and you're going to take the quiz. All right. Now, when you read this, I want you to think about text structure. Okay? I want you to think about which ones or which one this might be. To help you, you might want to go back to this week, Monday. No, this week. I don't remember, you guys. Right here, text structure cheat sheet. This is going to help you. So you can print it out. If you can print right now, print it out. You can take a picture of it, have it on your phone. You can just have it open. But this is going to help you because you are going to look for signal words while you read. All right? So think right now. For me, I'm going to look at the title, Human Connection Bolsters Immune System. That's why it's important to be kind. I'm thinking because it's telling you this and this helps this, I'm going to either guess this is going to be problem and solution or cause and effect because that's what I'm getting from this. Okay? So you can start right away at the title to try and figure out what you need to do. So you're going to read, oh, look at this, long-term effects. I'm going to highlight that as a signal word. So it says, psychologists are worried about the long-term effects of our new social distant reality. Decades of research has shown that loneliness and isolation are associated with high blood pressure, chronic inflammation, I can't read this morning, weakened immune systems, and a host of other health issues. Look at that. So, this loneliness and isolation are associated with this. So this causes this. Something is simple. And here's more effects. So I am going to guess that this is going to be cause and effect. I can also see how it might be problem and solution. but you see the examples here. So I'm using my signal words to find words in here that kind of go with cause and effect. I was looking for those words because of the title. So hopefully this helps you. Again, you're going to want to read one article, find signal words, tell me what the text structure is. You're going to do the power words. You're going to write. You're going to do the quiz. These you will all do Thursday. So don't do these today. All I want you to do is read the article, find your signal words, decide what the text structure is. All right? Have a good day. Miss you.